Good morning everyone. Today I, Megha Gandhi, on behalf of Airforce School Chakeri, Kanpur, wish you a splendid morning and welcome you all to the virtual assembly based on the theme Health and Safety during COVID-19 pandemic. Today's assembly is hosted by Tiny Thoughts of class LKG-B. So let's begin the day with a pious morning prayer to invoke the abundant blessing of Almighty.
Dear Lord, bless the people suffering from war. Provide them with good health, peace of mind, and faster recovery. We die for the courage to that comfortable, protect and fear in mind all time, direct to ourselves from COVID-19. We promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. We promise to follow against other attacks, to maintain social distance, to wash our hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win the fight against COVID-19. The time never lasts, but the people do.
The COVID-19 pandemic has caused global, social, economic, emotional and educational destruction. So be informed, be prepared, be safe, be ready to fight COVID-19. Remember, safety starts with awareness and awareness starts with you. And to throw more light on this topic, I would like to invite Tiny Thoughts of class LKG-B.
Coronavirus is a syndrome called COVID-19. Coronavirus is a kind of pandemic. To avoid it, we should use sanitizer. To avoid it, we should use mask. To avoid it, we should wash our hands for 20 seconds. To avoid it, we should maintain social distancing. We should maintain okay. We should avoid crowds. Avoid handshake. Avoid touching eyes and nose frequently. Your festive with online shopping.
The Ayush Ministry of India is responsible for revoluting the indigenous and alternative medical system in our country. It recently suggested consumption of kada.
The combined goodness of some herbs like tulsi, ginger, giloy, turmeric, strength and the immune system, protect us from many infections, including coronavirus.
There are many kada recipes. However, it is important not to simply kara. We should follow all the instructions given by the
Karuna go away, Karuna go away. Do not come back another day. We want to go out and play. Karuna go away.
Be careful while going out. Wear mask. Wash your hands. hot water. And sanitize yourself and outsider come in our house. बस एक ही बात करो ना स्कूल है पर मुश्किल में है सब बस करो ना हाथ सोप से धोना कोरोना से डरोना मुंह को मास्क से कवर करो ना कोरोना से डरोना कोरोना से डरोना happy place. Our life is precious. Be safe, be healthy.
Good morning to my dear children and our most valuable parents. Thank you for your kind support, cooperation and being patient throughout the session. We have come to the end of our academic session and presenting the most awaited thematic assembly to you, which could have been impossible without the support of our parents, enthusiastic children and the valuable respective class teachers. Congratulations and all the best for your upcoming final examinations. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
These tiny thoughts taught us many things through this assembly. So we should promise ourselves to follow all instructions to be healthy and safe. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the parents, children who made this assembly wonderful. Thank you. Jai Hind.